Hi guys, this is Dan from the Investment ABC, and I just wanted to give a short update on what Warren Buffett is believing where the stock market is heading. According to Berkshire Hathaway's first quarter earnings, Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, sold $6 billion worth of stocks in April alone. Normally, Warren Buffett is always super bullish on the US economy, no matter when you ask him. But it seems very unlike Buffett to sell stocks in a crash. In 2008, during the financial crisis, Buffett used his huge cash position to buy stakes in Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, or Dow Chemicals. Currently, Buffett has been sitting on a huge cash position of $128 billion, which he now increased even further. Many people thought that Buffett would buy hand over fist during the huge crash we have seen in March when the Dow went to almost 18,000, but they were totally wrong. Like I said in one of my videos where he sold some of his airline positions in Delta Airlines and Southwest Airlines, Buffett knows that the economy won't recover in a V-shaped fashion and that the bailout deals might not be in favor of existing shareholders. Many were criticizing me and saying that he wanted to be under the 10% rule so he doesn't have to report his transactions quickly. They were saying that Buffett most likely is buying now airline stocks quietly, but it seems they were totally wrong. In fact, the actions Buffett is taking and the statements of Charlie Munger in a recent interview shows us that they think the US stock market will most likely retest the lows and maybe go even lower from there. Charlie Munger said, quote, "I would say basically we're like the captain of a ship when the worst typhoon that's ever happened comes. We just want to get through the typhoon and we'd rather come out of it with a whole lot of liquidity. We're not playing, oh goody goody, everything's going to hell, let's plunge 100% of the reserves into buying businesses." Quote end. Both of these experienced investors seem to feel that something big is about to come. Buffett's favorite indicator, the total market cap of publicly traded stocks divided by the US GDP, is sitting at currently 132.3%, almost as high as during the dot-com bubble and way higher than before the financial crisis with around 102%. Berkshire Hathaway posted its biggest quarterly ever loss of $50 billion due to roughly $55 billion in investment losses. Analysts were expecting a $6.33 billion profit in that quarter. It seems like not even Warren Buffett will be safe from what is coming to hit the stock market soon, especially when I see his overexposure to the banking industry and Apple. But with his huge cash position of around $137 billion, he will be able to really find some good bargains soon. If you are one of my older subscribers, you know that I'm seeing the stock market to retest the lows at least one more time in the next 3 to 6 months or even earlier, before we have a decision if we see a double bottom or go lower from there. Many people believe the Fed will never let the stock market fall, but this is exactly the time when the markets begin to roll over again. So stay cautious, guys. If you like this video and think also a second major crash is on its way, hit the like button, share, subscribe and comment. Bye and see you in the next one.